Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to organize your Apple Notes. So as you can see, I am now in Apple Notes on MacBook and I'll show you how to organize this. So as you see, I have a lot of dummy text notes and I want to organize them all in one place. So one thing I can do is I can create a new folder and dump all of those dummy text notes into that folder. But what I also can do is I can add a tag. So as you can see, you just need to type hashtag and then, for example, dummy note. So what happens now when I press enter, it becomes yellow, and when I open the sidebar, as you can see under tags and all tags, you see dummy note. So when I tap on it, I see that note with that tag. So what I can do, for example, is I can, when I have a tag related to school, or when I have a note related to school, I can add a tag school, and I can search for that tag. So I know that note is related to school. So you can really get creative with that and really organize all of your notes. So of course you can add, folders, but I think that's, a bit outdated. It is not really useful anymore. I think tags is a new way of organizing all of your notes. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.